guys, welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to install these door projector light on the Lexus. It's F Sport, but today it's also a little upgrade of why I have not posted any video. The reason is that it's just wheels. So I got my suspensions and I'm upgrading my bushings because my tires are like crap. Those tires only have like 12,000 miles on them and I have none left. But the only thing is I don't want to do the suspension and then do the get new bushing, install them in the car, get an alignment, then wait for wheels and then get another alignment. I want to do everything at once, but the problem is I've been looking for wheels for about a year now and I found the wheels that I like, but they're out of stock everywhere. They're in back ordered. First it was in April when I was going to purchase them, and then every website that I checked, they're in back order. They told me it was gonna be June, but now again I'm in June. I go to this website, I call them, they said that they gonna be in back order for another 2 months or so. And those wheels, they're going to look sick in the back car, and that's why I've been waiting and waiting on the wheels. But I found a website that they had the wheels, and then after I purchased some, I should have called them first, and then maybe 5 days later I heard nothing, and the payment was saying like pending on my account and pending on PayPal, because I purchased my stuff through PayPal from my card. So I called PayPal. They told me, well, it says something about they received the payment but they didn't approve it, and they told me that, well, maybe you should call the website that you bought the wheels from, because lately a lot of these wheels have been in back order. So yeah, I called them and then they told me, yeah, that they were going to call me. The wheels aren't in stock. I don't know why would you put those wheel like stuff in stock on your website while you know that you don't have them. So that's that's why I haven't been posting any videos. Is that the suspension is in the wheels and stuff is pretty much what I have left, and I think I will have, maybe in a few months I will finally switch the exhaust from Invidia to Trozy exhaust. So we'll see. So let's install these, and yeah, let's do it. This is the lights that I'm going to replace with these. They should say F Sport once I install them, and I'm also replacing these to LEDs. These I will not show in this video because there is a lot of video on YouTube that shows you how to replace this. It's not hard. You just have to remove this and then remove a bolt and put a new one in, and I'll do the rear as well, and I will replace this one also, but I'm not going to film that because again there's plenty of videos on YouTube on how to replace this. What you're gonna do is remove the mirror, and there's 4 bolts behind this. You just unscrew them, then you remove this, and then you'll get put a light here and then remove the bolt and put them back. All right guys, it's what you gonna do. You're gonna just use something like this to remove that light, like just like this. Sorry about my neighbor cutting grass. Okay guys, I had to stop the video a little bit because the neighbor was cutting grass and stuff like that. It was too loud. So yeah, just like that, it's out. Now what you have to do here is just you just gonna pinch this down and we move the light. As you can see, this one is out and that's the new one we're going to install, and it should say F Sport. So let's put this one on and see. Just like that, it's on. I don't know if you can see it. Well, you see how it's in my hand. I think it's something you can see more at night, but as you can see, it's in my hand. It says F Sport. Now the only thing I have to do is reinstall this and put this back, and just like that, it's on. I think at night I will have to give you guys a night clip and see how it looks like, but I think it's gonna be cool. So let's go ahead and do the rest of the doors and then we'll be all set. So this is very funny. So I ordered 4 of these because I was thinking these doors also have lights, but they don't. You see, after all those years I owned this car since 2015, I just realized that I do not have lights in here. It's just the front doors only. So I guess if you guys want these, I'll give these away. Anyone who want these, just send me a message on Instagram. That was very that was funny. After all those years, I just realized that I do not have the rear doors don't have lights after all those years. Now I'm going to replace these and the mirrors, and then I'll show you guys the results. Like I said, I will not film this because there's a lot of videos on YouTube how to change this. Alright guys, just like that, I'm all done. And as you can see, those F Sport Projector door lights are pretty cool. I think they have the one that says, well, not I think they do have the one that says Lexus, but I thought the F Sport would be cool. Now I believe I've seen one that says F, so if you have an ISF or GSF or RCF, you can buy one of these as well. Now I have 2 extra of these because I thought all 4 doors has those lights, but find out it's just the front doors that have them. So if anyone want this, contact me on Instagram and I'll send these to you for free. And one thing is, if you guys know a website that sells those dumb lights, let me know, because these I bought them off eBay. I think everything was like maybe 15 bucks. They're not good at all. Some bulbs don't even work, and the light output is not really good. So that's why I didn't even bother when the side mirrors, because I don't want to take them apart and then bulbs didn't work, because 5 of the bulbs don't even work. So I buy stuff on eBay, but I think these lights, those dumb lights, you probably have to go to a good website to buy them. So if you know a good website that sells these lights, LED lights, just let me know. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and this give it a thumbs up. Like I said, I will try to make more videos because I'm waiting on the wheels to install the suspension, because I'm gonna drop the car a little bit with when I get the new wheels, plus I will upgrade the bushings as well. But tomorrow I will drop the car off so I can fix that little ding I had in the side of the car. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next one.